In today's video, I'm going to be stuffing cash envelopes for my daily envelopes, my savings challenges, and some other little envelopes. So if that's something that you're here for, go ahead and stay tuned. If this is your first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasurers, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. I really hope that you subscribe to the channel. And if you're a returning bestie, hey girl, hey. Okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna be stuffing a total of $2,035 today. I used my cash slip to go to the bank, and let me go ahead and get the cash out. So I'm going to be separating the cash now, and the teller that I had, she really doesn't care if all of the bills are in one direction. So let me fix this really quick. You know, we like all of our bills to point the same direction, you know, that's like a thing for us cash stuffers. All right, we're gonna make sure all of the money is here. I'm gonna be using my handy dandy calculator to help me count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So $1,800, 100, so 1,900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, and 15. So $2,035 is what I am going to be stuffing today. Putting this over here on the side. So first, I am going to start with my daily envelopes. And I'm gonna be stuffing toiletries, $40. Now, I don't have anything in my envelopes to take out, I don't think. I really don't think that I do. So I'm not going to be, there's nothing to empty because I use everything. The only thing that I do need to empty is these receipts. I need to make sure that I have scanned all of my receipts. If you are not aware, I do have Fetch, and with Fetch you can scan your receipts and they turn into points, and you can cash those points in for gift cards, and it's a total free app and I absolutely love it. I accumulate all my points for the year, and then during my birthday is when I cash my points out and I'm able to purchase myself something. Every year I buy a luxury purchase, but it's awesome. You should check it out. Yeah. So for the envelopes on the go, I'm going to be stuffing $40 in my toiletries envelope. And actually it's gonna go into beauty because I don't have like a specific toiletries envelope. And really that is pretty much it. So I'm done here. Don't have much to stuff in this to go big old envelope. I mean big old wallet. But I absolutely love this wallet. I got this wallet from So Crafty Sanaa, so if you're interested in it, I really encourage that you check it out. I will leave it linked down below. Next, I am going to be stuffing some sinking funds, and I'm going to be stuffing a total of $165 for my cleaners, and I think I have a cleaners envelope in here. If I don't, yeah, I don't have a cleaners envelope in here. I am just going to put it in my, let's see, because this envelope, I need to take this out actually, and So I'm just gonna put this money right here. So it's a total of $165. It's a $100 bill, and then three 60s or 320s. Oh God, I can't talk. And a $5 bill. This is for the cleaners. 1, 20, 40, 65. I finally took some of my clothes to the cleaners, you guys, and yeah. Oh my gosh, I do really want, let me see if I have a cleaner envelope. 1 second. You guys, you are not gonna believe what just happened. So I'm looking for the cleaner envelope, and I'm like, I know I have a cleaner's envelope. I just know that I do. So I'm looking in all these binders that I have everywhere, right? I have binders, I have envelopes, because I used to run a pretty wonderful cash envelope business. And I'm looking in here and I'm like, okay, I gotta be somewhere. I got hairstylist, hair, nail shop. What do you know? I have a skincare envelope with some money in it. With some money in it. I have 20, 40, 50, I have $60 in here. And I need some skincare items. So I'm gonna take this out. Super excited about this. I have, here's my cleaner's envelope. And in my cleaner's envelope, I already have, wow. This is funny. 50, 70, what is this, 90, 110, okay? Because I guess I must have started saving for this a long time ago, and I was like, I needed to take my clothes to the cleaners. And then I have medical, which I just actually had to go to the doctor, and I did have to pay a copayment, which they did bill me for. So this is $10, $25 in my medical. So I'm gonna, wow, isn't God good? I just found some money. I'm gonna take this out of here, out of this binder, and then I'm gonna put it in here. The 1 month ahead, I have debt, I have Costco, car maintenance, car wash, giveaways, which I'm gonna start having some giveaways, you guys. I am going to be doing the what do you call it when you for the trying to think of what am I trying to call it, hold on, because I can't think. Vlogmas. I am going to be doing Vlogmas. Yes, there we go. Okay, so that's amazing. So I just found some money. Now my cleaner bill is $165, but I still have clothes that I need to take to the cleaners. So I'm just going to add to this so that I can continue to take the rest of my clothes to the cleaners. So I'm gonna add this here and see, I have a total now of 150. Let me do this. 120, 40, 60, 80, 250, 275 is what I have total in here. And now I'm excited because I can take the rest of my clothes to the cleaners. Yay! That made me happy. I am so happy. Okay, so next is household. Household is gonna be getting $150. So that is this here. Well, household is Costco. And I already had some money here. Oh, I didn't know I had $90 in Costco. I thought I only had $50. That's the reason why I took out $150. So let's see. So now I have 100, 200, 240. Sorry guys if you can hear my daughter and my granddaughter in there tussling with each other. All right, so awesome, awesome, awesome. This is why I love cash. This This is why I love cash, because especially sinking funds. Now, I should have remembered I had the money, but I didn't. Now I'm gonna go searching in all my little envelopes, see what else I can find. Okay, so next up is going to be my 1 month ahead, and that's a total of $950, and that is this envelope here. So that's gonna be 9 $100 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then a $50 bill. So now let's count everything in my 1 month ahead. This is for mortgage and HOA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So I have here a total of $2,800, and this is going to be going into my mortgage account. This is 1 full month of mortgage and HOA that I have saved. Praise the Lord. He is so good. He is so good. He is so good. So that's it for this binder. I gotta go save my granddaughter, y'all, because I don't know what her mama doing. They're stressing out. Okay, so next is the 3K savings, and I am going to finish this. All of these circles that's uncolored is a total of $730. So let's count that and make sure I have that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $120 and $30. So I'm just gonna put it in all in November, because I'm saving it here in November, and I am now done with my 3K savings. Super excited. So I will have a video coming out where I am counting all of it to see everything that's in here. That's even including this envelope here, which I really don't know how much is in here. And then I am going to be putting this in a high yield savings account. And yeah, this was a good video, y'all. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I recorded this video, because I found me some money and some bonus, okay? So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, I really encourage that you subscribe to my Instagram or follow me on Instagram, because I will be doing a lot of content there as well. And I just thank God for being so good and always being a provider and knowing, you know, what's coming up before we know it, so that, you know, he can cause things to happen. And he just a bomb. I'm happy right now, you guys, if you can't tell. I'm so happy I found that money. I'm so happy that I completed both of my savings challenges. I pretty much know which ones I'm gonna do next year. I'm gonna really stretch and push myself. Yeah, because this year, if you take this challenge and this challenge, I saved $5,000. That's just what the savings challenge is. That's not including the 1 month ahead. That's not including this 1 month ahead I just did. It's not including like some other savings that I've done. So I'm gonna push myself next year. So make sure you guys stay tuned for what my savings challenges will be for 2025. And I will see you besties in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
My bestest friend, yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright.